When logging on to Thin Client for the first time, you want to type in your username and password. These machines are a little different than a standard PC. Thin Client will connect you to a virtual machine that is physically located in our data center on campus. The benefits of this type of technology is that you can get your own desktop with your own files on whichever machine you connect to on campus. One thing that is important when signing on is to complete any of the sign-on prompts or any authorization. This is prompting me to authenticate to an application called Cloud Drive Mapper, which will map the drive letter O to the OneDrive. This is important because the desktop and documents folder will direct there. So if you have not completed this process, you will not be able to see your drive mapped or linked to your OneDrive. You can check this by going to File, Explore, under this PC, and then to Drive letter O is linked to OneDrive. Now anything that you save on the desktop or documents will be saved to your OneDrive and will be retained regardless of which machine you log into on campus. Files that you have saved outside of the desktop or documents or on the drive of the physical computer will be lost due to it not being synced with your OneDrive.